Alrighty guys, here we go. Last section of Algebra 1. It's a sad day. Here we go. 13-4. And it is titled Inequalities containing absolute values. Okay, so let's go back to a while ago, probably the beginning of the semester, if not pre-algebra, and let's think about what absolute value means. So absolute value is the distance from zero. It's just the distance from zero. Can you ever walk a negative distance? No. Therefore, absolute value is always positive. So if you were looking at the absolute value of x is less than 3, that means that x is less than 3 units from 0. X is less than, I meant to take a picture of my clock for you. I'll do that sometime. Is less than 3 units from 0. So what would that look like on a number line? Here's our number line. Let's plop 0 in the middle. And here is 3. We are less than 3 units. So could we be 1 unit? Sure. How about 2 units? Sure. How about 2.5 units? Sure. How about 2.9? 2.99? 2.9999? Yes, all of those work except for 3. So let's put an open dot at 3, but we can shade everything in from 0 up to the open dot. Okay. Now, remember, we're talking about a distance. So if I go 3 units this way, that puts me at -3. Can I walk, though, from 0 to -3? Sure. But I just am, when I'm walking, I'm not going a negative distance. I'm just going a distance of 3. So you can walk 3 units this way, and you arrive at -3. So it's the same idea. Going from 0 to 3 also applies to from 0 to -3. So we won't actually get to -3 because we have to go less than 3 units. But everything from 0 to -3 is shaded. So this should look familiar to you. This is like the sandwich or the intersection that we talked about. So we could write the inequality of this as -3 is less than x is less than 3. Okay, so let's try an example. Here we go. The instructions are going to say solve and graph. Solve and graph. And the problem is the absolute value of x plus 4 is less than 7. All right, so that means that we are going to be between 7 and -7. If we're looking at a number line, we would be between 7 and -7, right? This in here is what we'll be looking at. But it's not that x is, it's x plus 4. So we can write a sandwich. We can say -7 is less than x plus 4 is less than 7. Well, you did these for homework, these types of problems. Solve for x. Remember, keep your equation, or your inequality rather, balanced. So if you subtract 4 from the middle, you have to subtract 4 from both sides. So -11 is less than x is less than 3. So if we graph this guy, here's our number line. Here is -11. Here is 3. What kinds of dots? Open dots. We're not including them, and it's everything in between. Okay, so let's do one more. Let's do one more example. We're going to solve and graph. Solve and graph the absolute value of x plus 5 is less than -9. Wait a second. What is absolute value? It means a distance, right? Can you ever go a negative distance? No. So you can never have a negative distance. Therefore, this has no solution. If you're ever less than a negative, you cannot have a solution. So now I would like you, we'll shut off the video for a minute. I would like you to try page 592. Work on 1, 7, 11, 13, 15, and 21 right now. And then check your work in the back of the book and help each other out. I'll see you in a bit.